Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to format the table in Outlook Online. For that, we are going to see in the Outlook desktop application. So this is my table in the Outlook desktop application. Right click on this and click on the table properties. Here you can see if you click on the table row column, if you click on the row, click on the specific height. So if I click on 6 centimeter, the specific height will be changed to the particular centimeter as per my requirement. So if I again click on the table properties, if I click on this column, then if I click on 3.5, so based on the centimeter, it will be aligned to our requirement. The reason for using the formatting option in the Outlook Online is showing the professionalism towards the email and highlighting the important point and clarity of the email, the way we are conveying the information that will receive the user end in a clear format. So if I want to format the cell option, click on the table properties, click on the cell option here. If it is like top, it will be the center cell alignment will be in the top. If I want, so now you can see this cell alignment in the top. So if I right click on this, click on the table properties, again if I click on center, it will come to the center. Now if I click on this again table properties, if I click on the bottom, now the cell alignment will be come at the down position. So this is how we have to use the formatting options in the Outlook Online desktop application. So I hope you understood this video. For more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.